Today we will be doing fresh ginger tea or kashaya. This ginger tea is good for the common cold and cough. Drinking this ginger tea every day may help in preventing getting the common cold. The ingredients are 1 inch fresh ginger, 2 cloves and 1 cardamom, 1 teaspoon jeera or cumin seeds, around 10 black pepper, 2 pinches of turmeric powder, jaggery or any sweetener of your choice, but jaggery is recommended. 2 cups of water, little lime or lemon juice. Using a mortar and pestle, crush pepper, cloves, cardamom, and jeera to a coarse powder. Now add ginger and crush that as well. To make this tea, keep 2 cups of water to boil. Add jaggery, turmeric powder, and other crushed ingredients. Let it boil for 5 minutes on medium-high heat, then turn off the heat. Strain this tea to a cup and pour this to a serving cup and add lemon juice just before serving. Mix it with a spoon and drink. I hope you enjoy making this fresh ginger tea. For more recipes, visit our website and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.